Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your HP printer to your phone. First, make sure your HP printer is turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your mobile device. This is a crucial first step for seamless communication. Next, head over to your phone's App Store and download the free HP Smart app. This application is your central hub for managing your printer from your phone. Finally, have your Wi-Fi network name and password handy, as you'll need them shortly. Once you've downloaded the HP Smart app, open it up on your phone. You'll see a plus sign, usually in the top right corner, which you should tap to begin adding a new printer. The app will then guide you through a simple discovery process, searching for available HP printers on your network. Select your specific HP printer from the list that appears. This step usually takes less than 30 seconds to complete, making it very straightforward. After selecting your printer, the HP Smart app will prompt you to confirm its connection to your Wi-Fi network. If necessary, you might be asked to enter your Wi-Fi password to ensure a secure link. This is a standard security measure. The app will then take a few moments, typically under 1 minute, to establish a stable and secure connection between your phone and your HP printer. You'll see a confirmation message once the connection is successful. Now that your printer is connected, you're ready to print. Open any document or photo on your phone that you wish to print. Look for the share or print icon, which often resembles a small box with an arrow pointing upwards. From the available options, select your newly connected HP printer. You can then adjust settings like paper size, color, and the number of copies. Finally, tap the print button and your document will begin printing almost instantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.